Yeah guys, easy way to fix evaporator. Let's say a fridge that comes with PC body. Once the PC body gives you problems, you try all you can, but it's like impossible to fix it again. So the easy way to make the fridge works, I'll give you options, but as you see there, I already done everything. So what can you do? You open in the freezer, you see a fan. This is a fan. Yeah, on the fan you got two wires, positive and negative. Most of the time you find positive cable is brown and negative cable is blue. Positive, which is the one that receive the power, right? Yeah. So once you open like this, you first check your fan. Yeah, you first test it on direct if it's working. As you can see, two wires here comes inside from the fan. Yeah, that's brown and blue. So you take the brown one, you put on positive power cable, and the negative one you put on the negative power cable, right? Yeah, and then you test your fan. If it's working, you will see it's turning. Yeah, for example, if I test it like this, watch the movement of the fan. I wanna put it on direct, you would see. Here, as you can see there, that's the fan turning. I just tested on direct, the fan is turning, right? I'm going to disconnect it. I'm going to show you something else. Yeah, as you can see there, the fan is working, it stops, right? Then you come again, you can see, once you open like that, you check the heater. This is the heater. As you can see, this small one goes tied to the evaporator. That's the heater. Yeah, it comes until down, it ends here. In some other fridges, you'll find only one heater or maybe two heaters. This one helps you to dry the water, right? Once evaporator is working, you will see a lot of ice. This heater is helping you to cool, like to melt the ice, right? So that water falls here, down here. So down here we get another heater. You see, this is a heater. Here is the power cable. Here is the wires for the second heater. So you do the same thing. You first test the heater if it's working. You check the power cable. As you can see here, they put two cable with the same color. All of them are white, so it doesn't matter. You can try anyhow on the power cable. You can put anyone on positive or negative. It's still gonna work perfect. So you just have to test the heater. Once you connect like that, you try to touch a little bit. You see the heater is warming, coming hot. That's when you get to know that the heater is working properly. Secondly, you go to the second heater. If there's two heaters, you go to the second heater. You do the same thing, right? Are we together? Yeah. After that, if everything is working perfect, what can you do next? You do the installation, like you don't mind the PC body anymore. Follow me, right? Don't mind the PC body anymore. You want to do the installation for your own. What's important is if the heater is working, also the fan is working, right? We're together. So you do all your best you can. As I tried here, as you can see the hole here, I wanted to join the cables, like I wanted to put all the cables here, but then I just realized that the heater is here, also the heater is here. So for me to pass the wires here, it's not right. Maybe it may cause problems. So I had to make the second hole here on top. So what do? Since there are two heaters, you take you take one wire from the first heater and then one wire for the second heater, you join together, and the rest two you join together, right? Together. The first heater and the second heater, you just share the two wires, one join one join another. So they are fine. That if you put inside it's like only two cables, but you connect both two heaters at the same time. So only two cables, right? Are we together? Only the two cables, they go inside. Then you take the two cables from the fan, you also put it through in there, right? Yeah. So at the back there, it's like you got four wires. It's like you got four wires behind, right? That means you're done from the front side. You finish everything, right? You close, right? Watch me properly. This is the cover. This is only the cover. Don't mind about this one, but I'm just closing to show you the example. Once you finish to do everything that I come from explaining to you, you close it so until down, right? You're done. So that's how you work. That's what helps you to use the fridge that was using PC board, but PC board giving you a problem, you find a way, there's no way to be fixed, you do that installation, then you take the wires behind. Alright, thank you so much guys, for everyone who is watching. I will help you to understand where those four cables will go to join on the motor on my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Cheers. Love you. It's Hussein Sabiti. Is your teacher for today.